Talk World, I'm Poppy, and today I'm making a unicorn smoothie bowl. Now this is really exciting because I actually think it's going to taste really good. And the instructions for this are in the next issue of Girl Talk magazine. So I'm going to just show you how to make it, so let's see how we get on. Okay, so first I'm going to take my smoothie and I'm going to cover the bottom of the bowl with my smoothie. These are actually my favourite smoothies, so I might just have a bit first. So I'm going to fill my bowl with smoothie. I might actually need to add a bit more yogurt to this. I'm going to take my yogurt, I'm going to get a spoon, I'm going to put a couple of big blobs of yogurt in there. Ooh, that's cool. So now we're going to swirl it round and we need to just cover the base of the bowl. Okay, so I think that's done now. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm going to take my bowls of berries and I'm going to make some really cute unicorn patterns. So you can do little eyes, you can do some cheeks, you can do some ears. So I'm going to see what I can do with these. So I'm going to start with the ears. I think I'm going to put them about here because I want them to look the right shape of ears. I think that's about right. They look like little cat ears. Then I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to take some berries. I'm going to put them like that. And get some more. Oh, this looks quite good. In fact, neaten that up a little bit. Oh, might have to move that ear out a little bit. That looks good. Okay, so now I've got some crushed up ice cream cones and I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna sprinkle them just around the top to make some kind of hair for the unicorn. So, this unicorn's got very cool hair. Now I'm going to put the finishing touch on, which is its unicorn horn. So I'm going to put that about there, and if I turn it around and show you, that actually looks so cool. And remember, that was absolutely delicious. I love that, and it was so easy to make and really healthy. I mean, it only took me like 5 minutes to do it. And remember that the instructions for this are in the next issue of Girl Talk magazine. It's definitely worth it. It is delicious. Now I've got to finish eating this, but make sure if you enjoyed that video to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the Girl Talk channel. See you next time. Bye!